Kayleigh's Crafts. Today we're going to be making some straw bracelets. Now to make this you're going to need a few things. So you're going to need some plastic straws, a pipe cleaner and a pair of scissors. Now for today's video we are learning how to make a bracelet, but if you have more than one pipe cleaner you could always make a necklace as well. The first thing you need to do is to take your straws. I have gone for a mix of different colours here, and what you need to do is take your straw and your pair of scissors, and you want to cut off tiny little bits of your straw, about 1 centimetre or a bit more in length. Then you'll be left with a few little bits of straw like these. Once you've cut up all your straw, you need to take your pipe cleaner. This will be roughly the size of your wrist, but you can adjust to make it a bit smaller if you need to. Pull your pipe cleaner so it's quite straight and lay it down. Have a think about the pattern you'd like on your bracelet. If you have gone for a few different colours of straws like we have, you might want to put them in a certain order. So have a think about that before you start putting them on. So you want to take your little bit of straw and your pipe cleaner and feed your pipe cleaner through the straw and all the way down. And repeat this in the pattern you'd like until your whole pipe cleaner is full of straws. So you have something that looks a little bit like this. Then what you want to do is bring both ends together so you have a circle, and you want to twist the ends of your pipe cleaner together so that it's nice and tight. Now the ends here can be a little bit sharp, so what's a good idea to do, if you can, is tuck it just underneath one of your straws. Both ends, so the both pointy bits are now in your straw pieces, and what you can do is you can just slide the straw over the join like that. And there you go, there is a straw bracelet. So you could use things around the house. If you don't have pipe cleaners, you could use something like a piece of string to create your bracelet or your necklace. Have a think about other things you might find around the house that could work instead of a pipe cleaner, and let us know in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in again to another episode of Kayleigh's Crafts. If you did make your straw bracelet along at home, please do share it with us, tagging Creative Eye and Norden Farm Centre for the Arts, using that hashtag Kayleigh's Crafts so we can see your amazing straw bracelets. Stay crafty and we'll see you next time.